I'm Liz Larson with The Art of Frosting.
And I'm Leah Larson with Leah's Crazy Cake Lab.
We're here together to show you this Christmas extravaganza cake. It's made out of candy melt with poured chocolate. So we're going to give you the highlights of how this cake was put together. Let's get started. Turned out really pretty, don't you?
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
It's kind of like a winter wonderland. I love the contrast of the splash of red against the white.
Yeah, I love the feathers are my absolute favorite part of this cake.
Yeah, mine too. It's really not very hard.
No, not at all.
Just fragile. So I would recommend not doing this cake around the kids because there tends to be just a little bit of swearing when your delicate feathers break. So there's that. Anyway, this was lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are enjoying this new format where you're just getting the highlight reel for now. So I hope you're having a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys.